Now, 0.64 is translated to the point 176.74 by using this. The first translation is by vector h times by 3 by 2, and the second by the vector k times 4 minus 1. Got to work out the values of h and k. Well, obviously I've got two things to work out. It's going to be a simultaneous equation type question, but it's a bit strange. So we're looking at the x values first. If we start with 6 here, and let's see what happens here. The top bit is the x bit, so this one says it goes 3 places along, but it goes h lots of 3 places along. So that will be plus 3h. That's h times 3, or same as 3 h's. That's how far it moves along to start off with, and then it's moved plus 4k's, that's this bit, and that gives me the final point, which is 166. And that basically is a principle, so you might be well able to do it from now onwards. Second coordinate, y. It starts off with 4, and then we're adding 2, and they go 2. We got h lots of 2 across, so that'll be plus 2 h's. And then we got, well, each one we go down 1, so it goes minus k times minus 1, so that will be minus k, and that equals 74. And now I've got unknowns. I can do whatever I really want to do with it. First off, I think I'm going to get it so the numbers on just one side. So take away 6 from both sides here, and that'll give me 3 h's plus 4 k's equals 160. And this one here, take away 4 from both sides. That gives me 2h minus k is 70. And then I think I'm going to, I've got minus 4k here. If I times this one by 4, then that will give me minus 4k's, and I'll just be able to add them. So that will be 8h's minus 4k's times 70 by 4, 4 7's 28, and add the 0. And now that's quite nice. So I've got plus 4k here and minus 4k here. I can just add these two equations. So if I call that equation 1 and that equation 2, I can do equation 1 plus equation 2, and that will give me how many h's? That'll give me 11 h's. 4k's plus minus 4k's with no k's equals, add these, 28, 29, 30, that's 44 with a 0. 440, that's quite nice. Divide both sides by 11, h equals 40. And now I need to find out, I found the value of h, which is 40. I now need to find the value of k, so I can substitute it into any one I want, and I think I will probably substitute it into this one here. So we're going to sub h equals 40 into 2h's minus k equals 70, and that will say 2h's will be 80 minus k equals 70. I can just do that by inspection. 80 take away something is 70. Pretty obviously k equals 10. And quite a weird question. Just worthwhile making sure you get into it, see what happens. Two things to work out, almost certainly simultaneous equations. And that's 16 done.